Welcome back. My name is Jim Boyle. I'm the principal lawyer in the Boyle Law Firm. If you want to know more about me or my firm, go check out my website, jamesfboyle.com. In this series, we are discussing how to prepare your own simple Texas divorce. Again, the emphasis here is on the word simple. We're talking about an uncontested divorce, no kids, and no property, where everything's agreed upon. We've gone through this on the first two videos. I'll go over it again. These are the documents you're going to need. You're going to need a civil cover sheet, an original petition for divorce, a waiver of citation, a state reporting form, a final decree of divorce, and then your testimony for the prove-up. Now, I'm going to pause the video here, and we're going to jump to the petition itself. In the last video, we began looking at the original petition for divorce. In this video, we're going to continue with the petition. The first thing that you're going to see in the petition is something called the discovery level. And as you can see in my form here, it's discovery level 2. You could put 1 in there. It really doesn't make a difference. This is an uncontested divorce. In other words, both of you agree on it. If the discovery level becomes an issue, then you need to go hire a lawyer. Both of you need to go hire a lawyer and let the lawyer handle it. For our purposes, this is just something that needs to be in the petition. Again, it could be 1, it could be 2. The discovery level relates to how much discovery can be conducted in a case. This is an uncontested divorce. There isn't going to be any discovery. So again, if this becomes an issue, you need to go hire a lawyer. The next section that we're going to look at is a section called the parties. And I have these things, the paragraph headings, I have them in bold and I have them underlined. You could put them in italics. You could center them. You could use Roman numerals. You can do whatever you please. This is just to make it simple so you know what you're looking at. And this paragraph, what it does is it identifies the parties to the divorce. This suit is brought by blank. The name of the petitioner is going to go in here, Jane Doe, petitioner. Now, there are some requirements in Texas. Jane Doe is going to have to put the last 3 numbers of her driver's license here, and she's going to have to insert the last 3 numbers of the Social Security number here. The next part of this paragraph is to identify the respondent. John Doe is the respondent. And for the remainder of this petition, we're going to identify the parties to the divorce by either petitioner, the person bringing the divorce, or respondent, the person who the other side of the divorce, if you will. Next. All right. Next thing that you're going to have in here is a paragraph relating to service. In the case of a contested divorce, somebody files the petition for divorce, and that petition is served upon the respondent. This is an uncontested divorce. The respondent in this case is going to sign what is called a waiver of citation. All right, so you don't have to serve the citation on him. Again, if you go look at my series on the petition and the citation, I go into more detail as to what the petition is and what the citation is and the purpose of the citation. You're not going to use one of those here. In this case, since it's an agreed divorce, you're going to use what's called a waiver of citation. So in this paragraph relating to service, you're telling the court that, and the clerk of the court when you file it, that no service is necessary at this time. Now, this line on the bottom is the footer. It just helps, it helps you, it helps keep the document clean. Page 1, page 2, page 3, and the style of the document. The next time, on the next video, we're going to continue with our original petition for divorce. I will see you then.